Good day friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Given here from TechnoDrive. In today's video I'm going to show you how we can establish a link between the Luxpower inverter and the Dyness battery. So this is one of the most common combination, Luxpower and Dyness. So we are going to link them together so that they can communicate with each other. Okay, you can see that on my screen here I've got the setting on lead acid battery. So with the lead acid battery, you don't need any communication cable. So you can run the battery, the inverter without the communication cable. You can see that there is an output. You just have to set the battery voltages and all parameters related to the battery. So with the lithium battery, you don't have to set, you just connect the cable, then the inverter will know what settings are there on the battery. So I don't have any cable connected. For the communication between the battery and the inverter, you only use this one. This one is the one that we use to connect. These two are for the parallel, if you are running the inverter on parallel, and this one is MPPT connection. So we need only this one for the communication. So the first thing that we need to do is to set the parameters. So this is the parameter that we need to set. You can see that we've got parameter 3 on the box there. So on the inverter we have to go to parameter 3 and set the parameter 3 to lithium ion. So once you go to parameter 3, you change the battery type to lithium ion, and also we have to change the protocol. You can see that we have 4 different types of protocols. There's a 0, which is standard battery, 6 Luxpower, 2 Pylon-Tech, 8 Dyness. So we will change that protocol according to the battery that we have. So now we are having a Dyness battery, we have to set it to number 8. Okay, let's change the parameters, then we can go to the next step. Okay, for us to go to parameter 3, we have to press enter and hold. Then we'll press the up arrow 2, 3, parameter 3, we are there, enter. Now it's asking us for the battery type. You see the type is flashing there. It's now lead acid. Press the up arrow. You can see now it has changed to lithium ion. Enter. Now it's asking for the battery brand. It's number 8. That's Dyness. If you've got the Pylon-Tech, it's number 2. Luxpower protocol number 6. Standard battery number 0. So we press enter. You can see the inverter is restarting. Now the inverter is on lithium ion, but you can see that we don't have any output coming out from the inverter because the inverter doesn't see the battery. There's no communication between the inverter and the battery. So what we need to do now on our next step is to connect the LAN cable between the inverter and the battery. So the cable that we use is the normal LAN cable. You can see this is a Cat 5 cable. You can also use Cat 6, much better. So we connect it on the inverter and the battery. Let's go to the battery. Okay, here's our battery. So the first thing that we need to do on the battery is to change the dip switch number 3 to on. Dip switch number 3 it's on. The other dip switches must be off. Okay, and then now we can connect the LAN cable. So our LAN cable is, we connect it on in. So this is the point where we connect our LAN cable. So out, it's if you have another lithium battery connected next to this one. So we don't have any battery, we're just gonna leave it like that. Connect there. Right, now we have to also connect the very same LAN cable, the other end, to the inverter. Okay, Our other end must connect here. Okay, I've just connected the cable. You can see now we have the readings. Got 52.6 volts, 52%, and the inverter is now on. You can see we've got an output 220. So the inverter was waiting for the LAN cable to be connected so that it can establish communication. So without the communication, if you set it to lithium ion, there will be no voltage. So we have now completed the setup. The inverter is okay. I hope you like the video. I hope it will help you. So stay tuned. I'm gonna make another video on how to set up the communication between the grow watt and the Dyness, since we still have the battery with us. It came here for the repairs. We changed the BMS card on the battery. It's now okay. We are just testing the communication and spreading the knowledge so that everyone will know how to tackle these things. So I hope you like the video. Stay tuned. You will see another video shortly. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.